Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the forces that shape our planet. Today, we're tackling a topic that's both awe-inspiring and terrifying: the world's 10 most dangerous natural disasters. From the ground-shaking power of earthquakes to the fiery wrath of volcanoes, these events remind us of nature's untamed strength. In this journey, we'll count down the top 10, explore their causes, their impacts, and some of the most devastating examples in history. Buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. Before we dive in, what makes a natural disaster dangerous? It's a mix of destructive power, unpredictability, and impact on human lives and economies. We've ranked these based on their potential for devastation, frequency, and historical toll. Let's start our countdown. Volcanic eruptions. At number 10, we have volcanic eruptions. When a volcano awakens, it can unleash molten lava, toxic gases, and ash clouds that blanket entire regions. The danger lies in their unpredictability and wide-ranging impacts. Lava flows destroy everything in their path, while ash can disrupt air travel and cause respiratory issues. Take the 1815 eruption of Mount Tambora in Indonesia, the deadliest in recorded history. It killed over 70,000 people, triggered global climate changes, and led to the year without a summer in 1816. Crops failed worldwide, causing famine. Modern risks? Volcanoes like Yellowstone's supervolcano could cause catastrophic global effects if they erupt. 9. Tornadoes. Coming in at number 9 are tornadoes, nature's most violent storms. These spinning columns of air can reach wind speeds over 300 miles per hour, tearing through homes, vehicles, and landscapes in minutes. Tornadoes are most common in the US, especially in Tornado Alley, but they can strike anywhere. The 2011 Joplin, Missouri tornado was a tragic example. With winds up to 200 miles per hour, it killed 158 people and caused $2.8 billion in damage. Tornadoes are dangerous because they form quickly, leaving little time to prepare. Advanced warning systems have reduced deaths, but their destructive power remains unmatched. Eight. Tsunamis. At number 8, we have tsunamis, giant ocean waves triggered by underwater earthquakes, landslides, or volcanic eruptions. Tsunamis can travel at 500 miles per hour and reach heights of 100 feet or more, flooding coastal areas with devastating force. The 2004 Indian Ocean Tsunami was one of the deadliest disasters ever. Triggered by a 9.1 magnitude earthquake, it killed over 230,000 people across 14 countries. Entire communities were swept away. Early warning systems have improved since, but tsunamis remain a major threat in coastal regions. 7. Wildfires. Number 7 is wildfires, uncontrolled fires that ravage forests, grasslands, and even urban areas. Fueled by dry conditions, strong winds, and human activity, wildfires can spread at alarming speeds. The 2018 Camp Fire in California was the state's deadliest, killing 85 people and destroying nearly 19,000 structures. Climate change is making wildfires more frequent and intense, with longer fire seasons and drier landscapes. Smoke from wildfires can also cause widespread health issues, making them a growing global threat. 6. Hurricanes. At number 6, we have hurricanes, massive tropical storms with winds exceeding 74 miles per hour. Known as cyclones or typhoons in other regions, these storms bring heavy rain, storm surges, and flooding. Hurricane Katrina in 2005 was a catastrophic example. It struck New Orleans, killing over 1,800 people and causing $125 billion in damage. Storm surges breached levees, flooding 80% of the city. Hurricanes are dangerous due to their size, duration, and multiple hazards, but improved forecasting has saved countless lives. We're halfway through our countdown. Which disaster do you think will take the top spot? Drop your guesses in the comments below, and don't forget to like and share this video. Let's keep going. Five, earthquakes. Number 5 is earthquakes. Sudden shifts in the Earth's crust that release massive energy. They strike without warning, causing buildings to collapse and triggering landslides or tsunamis. The 2010 Haiti earthquake, magnitude 7.0, killed over 200,000 people and left millions homeless. Poor infrastructure worsened the toll. Earthquake-prone areas like Japan and California have strict building codes, but no one can predict when or where the next big one will hit. Four, floods. At number 4, we have floods, the most common natural disaster worldwide. Caused by heavy rain, river overflows, or storm surges, floods can inundate entire regions, destroying homes and crops. The 1931 China floods were the deadliest in history, killing up to 4 million people due to massive river overflows and famine. Today, urban flooding is a growing issue as climate change intensifies rainfall. Flood barriers and early warnings help, but floods remain a persistent threat. Three, blizzards. Number 3 is blizzards. Severe snowstorms with high winds and low visibility. Blizzards can paralyze cities, disrupt power, and cause deadly hypothermia. The 1972 Iran blizzard was the deadliest, killing over 4,000 people when entire villages were buried under 26 feet of snow. Modern weather forecasting helps, but blizzards can still strand travelers and overwhelm infrastructure, especially in remote areas. Two, droughts. At number 2, we have droughts, prolonged periods of low rainfall that devastate agriculture and water supplies. Droughts don't strike suddenly, but their slow onset can lead to famine and mass migration. The 1980s Ethiopian drought triggered a famine that killed over 400,000 people and displaced millions. Climate change is worsening droughts, with regions like the Sahel facing frequent water shortages. Conservation and aid can mitigate impacts, but droughts remain a silent killer. 1. Heat waves. And at number 1, the most dangerous natural disaster, heat waves. These prolonged periods of extreme heat can kill thousands, overwhelm healthcare systems, and exacerbate wildfires and droughts. The 2003 European heat wave killed over 70,000 people, with temperatures soaring above 104 degrees Fahrenheit for weeks. Vulnerable populations like the elderly are hit hardest. As global temperatures rise, heat waves are becoming more frequent and deadly, making them the top threat in a warming world. And And there you have it, the world's 10 most dangerous natural disasters. From heat waves to volcanic eruptions, these events remind us of nature's power and our need to prepare. Which disaster surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more deep dives into our planet's wonders and dangers. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.